Welcome, stamping friends. It's Marilyn Wagner from Alberta, Canada. Today I would like to share with you a card that I've made using the Country Home Stamp Set and the Stampin Blends, which are now available from Stampin Up. Hope you enjoy. Currently there are 22 different colors that you can pick from. Now, to use the Stamparatus for creating many of these greetings, I have set it up, and as you can see on my background grid paper, I've just marked where to lay the Whisper White layer. Then I will use my magnets, and very carefully keeping them apart, I will use Blackberry Bliss on the greeting. And I like using the Stamparatus because if for some reason one of the areas isn't dark enough, you can always restamp it and it will be exactly the same place. And for the watering can and the flower arrangement, I'm using Early Espresso. So I've placed my stamps, as you can see, one on that grid and two on this one, so I don't have to move my paper. I can just turn the grid over and ink the other stamp, and the flowers will be placed exactly where I want them. Flowers, bouquet, whatever you want to call it. And as I indicated, that part has been causing a little bit of trouble on all the others as well, but because of using the Stamparatus, it will line up again, and voila, there it is. So now I will be able to take these and color them with the blends and finish my card. Here we are going to finish off this card now. I have the Stampin Blends that I used with Pool Party, Light and Dark, Light Cajun Craze, and Blackberry Bliss, which is the background as discussed before. So just show you a little bit here, quick and easy, of the coloring. When you use the blends, the color flows on very easily. No rubbing, no pilling of the paper. Just gives you a really nice cover for the areas that you want colored. And as you can see, it does go on quite quickly. I like the fact that there's two shades. We can go in and give a bit of darker area to where the shading should be, and it just brightens up the whole design. I like to use the Blackberry Bliss because, like I said, that is the base of the card, so this will tie that together. When we get it done, the soft suede, I believe this background is, which is what I've colored the cattails with, and a little bit of the yellow, which I didn't have out here, but I will try this one as a crushed curry, just to give a little bit of color on these guys. And you can see that it wouldn't take long to, oops, there's a piece I missed with the pool party to do many cards like this. So then, once I would have that all completed, I have my inside layer, which I've stamped. There's a stamp in this particular set that matches the embossing folder, which is, again, part of the coordination that Stampin' Up! Does so well. I will attach these like this. And I have on here, I have colored the pearls with the blends. Again, a very easy way to get your colors to coordinate. And I tried a few different placements for these, but I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here. I decided that this was the best place to put them, just to give it a little bit of bling. And when I have my finished card, I'll just bring it in here for you to see. There it is. All the different color combinations for fall colors and the inside with it. Just a couple other things to show you with the tin tile dynamic textured embossing folder. Doesn't look like a lot here. Page 43 in the annual catalog. This is the actual folder. And as you can see on the front layer of them now, I'll try and get the glare off of there, where the Stampin' Up! Is means it's the front layer. There's also a line so you can line up your paper when you put it in to get it straight. And what I think is one of the best features is look at it on the foil papers that we have. Isn't it just gorgeous? So we have the silver, the copper, the gold, and the new metal one. So hopefully you will find some time to work with these and have fun with them. Take care.